If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out TrendSpider. Link is in the description and the comment section. TrendSpider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk. Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video, guys. In today's video, we're going to be talking about XRP, the entire crypto market, and an interesting theory I have on why XRP might be benefiting very, very soon. So we see the entire market today is mostly down, but XRP isn't really down. It's basically sideways on the day. You can see it's down 0.05%, which is basically nothing, okay? Versus Bitcoin's down 8%, Ethereum's down 5%, Litecoin down 4%. Now, what this could mean, and this is just a theory, a couple days ago, right, there was all this talk of regulation. Trump tweeted some very hostile cryptocurrency tweets on Twitter. That's verified. You can go check that out. And I wanted to possibly put forward a theory on what might be happening. So we see all this talk about cryptocurrency regulation and plans and pushback from government and stuff. Could the recent pullback in the crypto markets be an overreaction, or maybe a correct overreaction to the talks of regulation? And if that's so, does that explain why XRP isn't down that much and is actually starting to come back up, okay? And why do I say this? Because XRP is probably one of the most regulation-friendly cryptocurrencies. Ripple as a company has always wanted to work with regulators, not against them. And I'm not saying I agree or disagree with that. I'm not getting into that. All I'm saying is, from a purely price standpoint, this is a theory that the evidence supports, right? Again, it's no way to prove it right now, of course. It's just a theory. I'm just saying that it is just a theory. However, we see most of your major altcoins going down with the exception of XRP right now. XRP, again, sideways on the day. It looks like today it might end up in the green, because when I checked, it was down 1%. Now it's down 0.05%. And it looks like it might end up in the green on the day. So can this actually be a positive for XRP? XRP, again, one of the most regulation-friendly cryptocurrencies out there. And this could possibly be an indication that if there is regulation that comes, or if there's more talks of regulation, will the money flood into XRP? It's very possible that the money floods into XRP. Now let's get into the TA for today. So yesterday I did some TA in XRP, and it looks like I was right. What I said would happen is we would hold above 25 cents mark, and the reason for that was because buyers were going to come in on this Bollinger Band over here. They were going to come in on that red candlestick you could see, and that's exactly what happened. Exactly what I said what was going to happen is what happened. In terms of RSI, we bounced again on the 30. That's a double bounce on the 30 RSI. Is that a double bottom when it comes to relative strength index? It's an interesting question to ask. Most people don't use RSI as a indicator for double bottoms and double tops. I get that, but it is something to watch and look out for. Twice we came down to 30 RSI. We have not gotten to overselling yet. Is that a positive sign? It very well could be, because that is a more bullish sign. Because when prices get into overselling, it's usually short term and provides opportunity for investors, of course, but it is a at least short term bearish sign, and we didn't get there, so that is a good sign. I'm not going to get into moving averages and stuff because I've covered that a bunch. Maybe my next video I'll talk about moving averages, because they haven't really changed that much. We're still under the 100-day, and I believe we might be under the 200-day. I'm not going to get into that in this video, maybe tomorrow's video. But yeah, just to wrap it up, RSI, we have not gotten to overselling yet. Bollinger Band, exactly what I said was going to happen, happened. We're holding up above 25 cents. Buyers came in just like I said they would after that red candlestick break. And again, there's my theory. I want to hear your thoughts on it down below, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you think my theory is correct, that a lot of money is about to flood into XRP because of the talks of regulation, at least in the short term? I mean, I'm not against Ethereum. I'm not against Bitcoin. I own those cryptocurrencies. I do. But I also own XRP, and I could see the writing on the wall in terms of what coins will benefit the most from talks of regulation. And that's just my theory. I want to hear your thoughts. Comment down below. Be sure to check out Trend Spider. Link is in the description if you want to learn how to trade the crypto markets, Forex, anything like that. Get Trend Spider. Link is in the description. Very affordable. Starts at like $25, $30 a month. Very, very affordable product. And use my link below. Help support the channel. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a great day. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, Forex, stocks, and much more, be sure to check out Trend Spider. Link is in the description and the comment section. Trend Spider uses automated technical analysis algorithms to perfect your trades. Once again, link is in the description. This is not financial advice and invest at your own risk.